This is the Sassoon Digital Sensor Hairdryer. It's got a next generation EC digital motor, which means it will blow dry your hair really quickly. It uses amazing ionic technology, which tames and fights frizz. And it also has the amazing heat protection technology. So it's constantly monitoring its temperature, so it will never damage your hair. The dryer comes with 3 attachments. The diffuser, which is great for blow drying your hair if you want it to keep its natural wave or if you've got curly hair. And it's also got the straightening and the styling attachments, which are fantastic if you want to get a really smooth blow dry. You can tell that is a really powerful blow dryer and it's actually getting through my hair really quickly. That has done such a nice job. The digital sensor in this hairdryer maintains a temperature of 70 degrees, which is an optimal temperature to help prevent damage, but also giving you a beautiful frizz-free blow dry.